I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around.
What's going on, you guys? Back here today, and we are taking a look at another microphone. This is a Fifine K670 desktop microphone. It uses a USB interface, and let's go ahead and take a look in the box. So starting off, we have a couple of manuals, the user guide, and it looks like a warranty card. Also, everything is very, very well packaged inside this box, so that's just one thing to keep in mind. And the first thing we're taking out is the nice, thick, heavy base plate, and then you also get a long USB A to B cable that you use to connect the microphone. And then looking at the microphone body itself, it has a threaded-on swivel adapter that you can use to connect it to its own base or another base of your choosing. On the front of the microphone, it has a volume knob that you can use to control the input and output volume. It has a headphone port on the back, as well as the USB-B side port on the bottom, so that way you can actually connect it. And the good thing about having these ports is you can use this as your USB audio interface and connect speakers or headphones to it. The next thing included is another one of those adapter pieces, and like I said, it just threads on right around that USB-B side port, and that's a nice little feature to have to give you more than one. So along with the base, you get 3 extension pieces, and those are individually wrapped, and you can choose how many of those you would like to put on the microphone. I chose to put together the microphone with all 3 of them, so that way it is close enough to my mouth to record clear audio. And if you look at these 3 extension pieces, one of them has a male-to-male threading, and it's smaller on one side. That smaller threading is going to be the side that goes into the base, and the rest can be added on as needed to the microphone. Finally, the last thing we have in the box is this little brass adapter, and that will go into the microphone side in case the stand that you're screwing it into has a different size threading than what is standard on these microphone extension pieces. With that being said, moving on to the assembly of the microphone base, it's pretty simple. You thread in that small side to the base, and you can just add the second and third ones as you decide that they are necessary. And then after they're all screwed together, or however many you want are screwed together, you just take the microphone, and on that little swivel adapter, it'll just thread into the open end of that. After a quick couple of turns, and then a few more just for good measure, making sure you have everything assembled tightly, you then have your completely assembled Fifine K670 microphone. You can twist the microphone body to line it up in the right spot. You can use the side adjustment to allow the positioning to be in the right place, and ultimately you have a very nice long cable to plug it in. And then there is the complete package of the K670 microphone ready to go for your computer. Now that the unboxing of the Fifine K670 is done, we're going to go into a little bit of a comparison. So we have a Polson RC77U microphone. This one is $69.95 on Amazon. We have a Blue Raspberry, and this one is $195.18 on Amazon. And then the Fifine that you're listening to is $47.99 on Amazon. So all of these are very similar. They connect via USB, and they have a dedicated headphone out port, so you can use it as an audio interface. But they're all at pretty wildly different price points, and I think you're going to be astonished at what the results sound like. So here is the sample from the Fifine K670 that you've been hearing this whole video. The next microphone we are going to sample is the Polson RC77U, and again, this is also a USB microphone and has its own headphone out port, along with its own physical volume knob on the body. So lastly, we have the Blue Raspberry, and it is a $195 microphone, so quite a bit more expensive. But the one benefit you have is that if you use an iPhone, you can connect this with the included Lightning to micro USB port cable. Well, that about wraps it up for me today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and comparison of the Fifine K670 microphone. If you like this video, leave it a thumbs up, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel, watch me grow. If you guys want to check out my last video series where I showed how to modify a PowerMac G5 case into fitting ATX PC hardware, click over here. If you want to check out my other video on my channel that I don't know what it's going to be yet, click over here. If you want to subscribe, click right in the middle, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.